Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at yet another challenge called git commit tag m whatever. So it has about 89 solves as of now and we are provided with a URL along with the port number, and it says that only if you could see the source code. Let us press Ctrl U. As you can see, we do not get to see the source code from anywhere. So let's just copy this. First of all, my first instinct was that this is supposed to be base64. Let's try to decode it. But you can see it does not turn out to be base64. The next thing that I thought was I have tried AES, so I thought that this could be a cryptography challenge, and to see the source code, what I could do is, there is a possibility that somehow developers do lead while trying to upload their source code onto GitHub. They do leave they do leave their source code behind. So if I were to go to /git, you can see that it is forbidden, but sometimes there are not proper access controls implemented. So what I did here was I used git I'm sorry about that. Let me just look at my tool. It's called git dumper. So git dumper is a tool. You can use git install pip3 install git dumper to let's type it whatever. It helps you download all the files using that were uploaded onto GitHub. So as you can see, we have the files and these are all of them. So this directory is supposed to host or have, sorry, this file is supposed to have the source code. So let's use Sublime Text, and as you can see, we get provided with the entire source code. So if you look towards the end, you can see that there is a private key as well. So my first thought was that maybe this is the flag. And why did I think that? This is because let me just type in flag. So as you can see, it is saying that get me the contents of the flag.txt file and store it in the variable of flag, and then use the crypto encrypt method to encrypt it and save it in the ENC file, and the ENC will be echoed out. And so this is the encrypted flag that has been echoed out. So we were right, this is the source code. So this is the actual flag that has been encrypted. Now my second thing was, how do I get to decrypt this? Luckily there was an encrypt function and a decrypt function as well. So I just removed this file because now we have the actual flag. Why do I need to get the flag file? I replaced the encrypt with decrypt, and let's just run php index dot, but you will see that call failed to undefined function sodium crypto secret box open, and it'll throw you a bunch of errors. So the next thing that I did was I went to an online PHP interpreter. It did not work eventually. It did not throw me as many errors, but it did throw me a single error. So it was quite troublesome. So the next thing that I tried to do was I went to Google Search Console, and I'll also say you one more thing. If you do not get all these errors, there will still be an error that you will get, which is called mb.string not found, because whenever you PHP automatically disables it by default when you try to install PHP. So I thought, why to mess up with my PHP on my machine? I went to Google Cloud Platform and typed in nano index.php and pasted the entire code here, and I ran php index.php, and you'll see that we get the flag right away without it throwing any errors to us. So let me type in D followed by this. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.